When it comes to replacing or installing new windows in Gilbert, Arizona, homeowners often focus on window style, energy efficiency ratings, and cost. While these factors are undeniably important, one critical element often gets overlooked: proper window sealing. In Gilbert's hot, arid climate, where dust storms, high temperatures, and monsoon rains are common, high-quality sealing is not just beneficial, it's essential. Why window sealing matters in Gilbert? Gilbert's climate presents unique challenges for any home's building envelope. The extreme heat and dry air during summer months put windows under considerable thermal stress. Add in frequent dust intrusions and the occasional heavy rains of monsoon season, and your windows become a major potential point of vulnerability. Proper sealing acts as a crucial defense line against these elements. Without effective sealing during installation, even the most advanced, energy-efficient window won't perform as intended. Drafts can sneak in, dust can accumulate, moisture can enter wall cavities, and your HVAC system will work overtime just to maintain a stable indoor temperature, all of which increases energy bills and reduces comfort. Energy efficiency and cost savings. One of the most compelling reasons to ensure proper window sealing is the potential for energy savings. Poorly sealed windows allow hot air to seep into your home, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder and longer. Given that energy bills in Gilbert can skyrocket during summer, even small improvements in sealing can lead to noticeable savings. Proper sealing also enhances the performance of low-E glass, insulated frames, and other energy-efficient features. A window with state-of-the-art materials won't deliver results if air and heat can leak around its edges. A tight, weather-resistant seal ensures that every component of the window works in harmony to reduce thermal transfer and keep your home cool. Protection against moisture and dust. Gilbert residents are no strangers to haboobs, large dust storms that can coat everything in a fine layer of debris. Properly sealed windows help prevent that dust from entering your home and accumulating on surfaces, affecting indoor air quality and triggering allergies or respiratory issues. Moisture intrusion, although less common in Arizona than in wetter climates, is still a concern during monsoon season. Without quality sealing, water can seep into your walls, leading to mold, wood rot, and structural damage over time. This kind of damage is not only expensive to fix but also a potential health hazard. Longevity and structural integrity. Poorly sealed windows aren't just inefficient, they also wear out faster. Over time, air leaks and moisture can degrade window frames, drywall, and even the surrounding structural components. Replacing or repairing these parts later can cost much more than simply ensuring a quality installation from the start. A well-sealed window also reduces the likelihood of expansion and contraction issues. In Gilbert's climate, the difference between daytime and nighttime temperatures can be dramatic. Improper sealing can cause the frame to warp or crack, compromising the window's fit and performance. Professional installation makes the difference. Many sealing issues stem not from the materials used, but from improper installation practices. That's why hiring a licensed, experienced window installer in Gilbert is crucial. Local professionals understand the environmental challenges unique to Arizona and are trained in using the best sealing materials, such as expanding foam, caulk, and flashing tape, for long-term performance. They also follow industry best practices, including checking for level placement, using water barriers, and ensuring a snug fit, all of which contribute to a durable seal. Final thought. Proper window sealing isn't just a minor detail, it's the foundation of a successful window installation in Gilbert. It affects everything from energy efficiency and indoor comfort to the long-term integrity of your home. Whether you're replacing a single window or upgrading your entire home, make sure sealing is at the top of your checklist. A well-sealed window today will save you from costly problems tomorrow.